pretty bad about like tracking threats, and so like the bird names like really helps me connect the threat to the IOCs that we're going to be talking about.
Absolutely, and we've seen mustard bustard flying in, making a mess in a lot of environments lately. So, Matt, we really want to focus on actionable intelligence here. So let's focus on these unique indicators, specifically the hashes on this one.
Our team spent a ton of time looking at what was initially dropped. So this was, as you may know, 37D153, A06, C79, E99, E4DE, 5889, DBE, 2E7, C57.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking
that's a good
about.
one.
Yeah.